Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Kimberly K. Jacinto, 27 years old from Philippines. I am single and I have one child, ages 4 years old. I have two siblings and I am the eldest. I am high school graduate and an undergraduate of Bachelor of Science in Tourism. But because of financial problem, I decided to stop my college and started working. I worked here in Philippines for almost 3 years as a helper, from July 2022 to April 2025. I serve 3 members of the family with one child ages 5 years old. My duties are cleaning the house, washing their clothes, and taking care of their children. I decided to work abroad to earn more money to sustain my daughter's needs and to help my family also. I am trustworthy, kind, patient, and a hardworking person. To my future employer, I promise to give you my best at all times to work with you and to stay as long as you need me. Thank you and God bless. Have a good day.